Hello. So today we're going to use the FOIL or the rainbow method to multiply two numbers together. So what happens when you're given 5 times 5? It's easy to multiply 5 times 5 for most of us and we'd get 25. But what if we express 5 as a sum of two numbers, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, and so on and so forth? Let's choose 4 and 1. Then this is equal to 4 and 1. Now what we can do is use the FOIL method. The FOIL method means we multiply the first numbers together and we get 4 times 4, 16. Then we multiply the outer numbers together. 4 times 1 gives us 4. And again, the inner numbers together, 4 times 1 gives us 4. And the outer and the last numbers together, 1 times 1 gives us 1. Now we just sum them. 16 plus 4 gives us 20. 20 plus 4 gives us 24. 24 plus 1, 25. What happens when you have numbers in the tens digits place, the tens place, like 18? So how would we rewrite this? Well, we can apply the same method by writing it as the sum of two numbers. So we could do 10 plus 8 times 10 plus 8. That will give us 10 times 10, which is 100. 10 times 8, which is 80. Again, 8 times 10, which is 80. And 8 times 8, which is 64. Now we take the sum of these. And a quick method we could use is we can sum the ones that have the same placements. 80 and 80 are both in the tens place. So let's add those together. Now we do regular addition. So at the end we get 4. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Plus 1 gives us 3. How about if the numbers are not the same? Can we still use this method? Absolutely. Pause the video and figure out how you want to express 24 as a sum of two numbers and 31 as a sum of two numbers. All right, now that you figured it out, did you get something like this? If you did, great job. You just use the fact that 20 is in the 2 is in the tens place, and the 4 is in the digits place. Likewise, the 3 is in the tens place, and the 1 is in the digits place. Of course, you can express them as any other sum, like 9 and 15, or 15 plus, you could do 15 plus 16. You can do any combination of numbers, but I like to break them into tens and units placement. So let's multiply through using the FOIL method or the rainbow method. We multiply the firsts together, 20 times 30. 20 times 30 gives us 600. and we're going to multiply the outer placements. 20 times 1 gives us 20, and the inner placements, 4 times 30 gives us 120, and last but not least, the last placements, 4 times 1 gives us 4. Okay, now that we have this, we can sum all the numbers together very easily. But a nice way is to organize them out. So why don't we write this as 600 plus 20 plus 120, which is, you got it, 140 plus 4. Now we don't have any numbers in the tens place, only in the units place. So the last digit, since all the other digits in the units place 0, 0, 4 is the only non-zero number in the digits place. So we'll keep the 4 at the end. The next number is the numbers in the tens place. 4 is a number in the 10th place here, and 0 is a number in the 10th place here. So 4 plus 0 must be 4. And now we have to add the hundreds placement. 1 is the number in the hundreds placement here, and 6 is the number in the hundreds placement here. 6 plus 1 is 7. And there we have it. Now I want you to try a problem on your own. Go ahead and multiply 62 times 58 using this method. Good luck!